You are watching Code with Heather. Welcome to episode 9 of our Jira tutorial series. In the last episode, we learned about sprints, how agile teams work in short time box cycles. Now we are taking a step back to the big picture view, roadmap and epics. You will see how teams plan long-term goals using roadmaps and break them into manageable parts using epics. And yes, we will also create one practically inside Jira together. So, what is a roadmap? A roadmap is a high-level project planning tool in Jira. It helps you visualize the timeline of your work, what tasks are coming up, when they will start, and how they depend on each other. Think of it like a Google Calendar for your project, but instead of events, you are planning tasks, epics, and releases. The roadmap gives you a bird-eye view of the entire project progress and coming milestones. So what does that means? Think of the roadmap as your project's Google Map. It shows where you are now and where you are heading. You can plan releases, set target dates, and track major features visually. It's perfect for managers, clients, and developers to stay on the same page. Purpose of a roadmap. It helps visualize the entire project timeline, communicates progress with stakeholders. It aligns teams' goals, tracks ongoing and upcoming epics, helps manage deadlines efficiently. So, a roadmap keeps everyone focused on why we are building something, not just what we are building. It's a bridge between long term strategy and short term execution. What is an epic? But wait a minute, first, I think we should go and create. No, first, we will see what is epic and then we will go with the practical example that how we can create roadmap and epic. So what is an epic? An epic is a large piece of work that can be broken down into smaller tasks and user stories. Each epic represents a major feature or goal within the project. If you think of your project as a puzzle, each epic is one big piece of that puzzle. For example, an epic could be user authentication system. Inside it, you will have smaller stories like login API, sign up page, or forget password flow. Epics help keep related tasks grouped and organized. So let's start with the practical example. First of all, we will create a roadmap. So this is the Jira dashboard. I'm already logged into my account. Go to project, and this is my project, my Scrum project. So from here, as you can see, one thing I just want to mention here that I'm recording this video in October 2025. So with the passage of time and after a few months or years, the update comes like Jira updates its dashboard and other things. So previously, the roadmap was showing like here on the top on the or on the left side of the sidebar, but now there is no roadmap option showing in Jira. The roadmap word is replaced by the timeline. If you guys just created a project in Jira and can't find the roadmap tab, don't worry, you are not missing anything. Jira recently made few changes, and you might see timeline instead of roadmap. But uh, like if you are watching this video in 2026 or 2027 or so on, so you can see some changes. So you can simply Google them. Even though when I was creating this Jira tutorial series, previously roadmap was showing, but now that it is replaced by the timeline. So let's start with creating a roadmap. So we were discussing that we have a roadmap and an epic option here. So roadmap is all about creating a big picture of your project. So as you can see, if we navigate to this power button, you can see it's creating an epic here. So what's need to be done? So as we have discussed that this is the big picture of your project. So here we will mostly continue with the basic modules, major big modules, or you can simply create a roadmap for front end or back end. For example, I will create. for the authentication for project. For example, I just created this one. So it is creating the epic. It is already created. Just click on it, click on open in new tab. It's already showing here on the right sidebar. But for explaining it better, I will open it in the new tab. So this is the screen. Your first roadmap epic is created. Here you can see there are many like options available here. Here we'll start with. Here is the description. You can simply describe what's need to be done. For example, I will type as create, login, sign up, and forget passwords, pins, and APIs. So this is the description. So whenever someone will navigate to this epic or roadmap, they will simply check the description and see what's going to be done in this roadmap. So child work items you can create. We will discuss all these things in the upcoming videos. So these are some you can say child work items as subtasks for this epic. You can create some subtasks here. Connected work items. I will is blocked by here we have different options. You can see like what other team members have done to something. You can simply type some URLs here. We will discuss it further in the upcoming videos because for now I'm just building a foundation for understanding Jira in details. So these options will help in the upcoming videos. Here we have comment options like, for example, you are a developer and the project manager have created this epic for you. So whenever you go to this screen and you will see the this description, you can simply comment here. This comment is all about asking someone that what's need to be done. For example, it's written here that create login, sign up, and forward password screens and APIs. So if you are a developer and you have a confusion like we may proceed with the simple sign up options or we must proceed with the authentication. So you can simply comment here. Your manager or other team members can see this comment here as questions and they can simply reply under your comment. So this is these comments are for this purpose. You can check history here. As you can see here, code active created the work item. Code Active updated the description. So it will show the history, work history of each team member available in this project. So it will be easier for you to track the history that uh, what work is done by which team member. On this side, we have assignee heads. You can assign this to multiple team members. We have labels here. You can simply use a short label for better view or better team understanding. Here we have parent that this epic is managed by which member. We have team. You can add multiple team members here. Due date and start date. These are important that when the epic or when this task inside our roadmap will start. And then we have sprints here. All the created sprints will show inside in this drop down. After this, we have the story point estimate. Story point estimates are a like unit of measurement used to estimate the effort required to complete a task. Then we have development. This is related to the Git or GitLab. You can create branch or uh, link a repository with your sprint or roadmap. Then we have the reporter. So I think an image of roadmap and epic is cleared in your mind. So it will help us in the upcoming videos or lectures. So that is it for today's episode. In this episode, we learned about what a roadmap and how it helps planning. We learned about epics and then we created epic and roadmap inside our Jira. So that is it. In the next episode, we will learn about story and how to make stories in Jira. If you are liking this series, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, please. Take care. Bye.